I presume that there is no one who will deny that England should fight on, even though the remainder of the continent of Europe is dominated by the Germans.
What's left of your army abandons weapons at Dunkirk. You're defenseless and just playing for time. Europe is ours.
Go.
Eddie.
Yeah?
He wants to make a deal.
No deal.
Raymond, am I using you? Am I using you, Raymond?
Yeah.
Shut up! He is answering a question from a half hour ago.
Disconnect them bones, them dry bones, disconnect them bones, them dry bones, disconnect them bones, them.
Put 500 prisoners of war in a maximum security camp. Give them sports, recreation, gardening, classes, and what's the only thing they think about? Escape.